How to add text in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to add text on your post that you have created, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add text, simply create a post just like this. Tap on the plus button and add a photo or video. Now I am choosing from one of my projects just like this. Now to add text, simply tap on the text button right here. Tap on it. Then simply add text just like this. You can also edit text from right here from the toolbars just like this. You can also change the color just like this and tap on to done. And now you can see you have simply added the text onto the video. And that's it. This is how you can add text in Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.